Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm working on a way to teach printmaking online, and I'm focusing on the end result. In other words, like the final portfolio. And I have this idea of having 4 people printing on screen. These 4 people would have made videos of themselves doing each of the 10 steps of printing an intaglio print. So I focused on the 5th step, the wiping of the plate. Of course, these are not other people printing. These are excerpts from my own printing sessions from past videos that I made. Anyway, I wanted to know, what would it look like? What would it look like? This is inspired by musicians doing network run-throughs, for example, where they have multiple musicians on the screen, each in their own home or studio, playing their own instrument or vocalizing, and then an editor, a video editor like this system, assembles the sessions all according to clockwork timing. And printmaking being somewhat like music, we use a plate, we do it over and over, and so forth. So I thought I could take that element and combine to make an interesting way to structure the final portfolio. That is the production of a, what would you call it? Not a concert, but a printcert? Anyway, I'm Bill Ritchie, and thank you for watching this.